We survived a crazy turbulence flight to see the Great Blue Hole from the sky. Was this UNESCO gem worth the wild adventure? Let's find out. Hi Travel Fam, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you on an adventure to one of the natural wonders of the world, the Great Blue Hole in Belize. This is the part 2 of our Belize journey, a place that's got a vibe like nowhere else. Nestled between white jungles and the sparkling Caribbean. Last time, we explored the beautiful island of Keikoka. Every spot here has a story to tell.
This is the outfit of the day. I have this nice white piece, 2-piece from Commerce. It's really cute, right? Fits well. I have my Hermes slippers. Period. Accessorize. I got these earrings from Breathtaking and I really love them actually. Anyways, alright, let's do a fit check for babe.
Okay, day 3 here we are. Fit check.
Period.
I'm like Zara model.
Yes, at this point, you're sponsoring Zara. Zara is sponsoring you. Which one? I don't know.
The top is Zara.
Yes.
The short is Zara.
Yes.
And I got my Artisan still on. Yeah. Of course. My accessories like just like this. Ready to hit the road. I hope it doesn't rain today. So we
Period.
get to see some nice stuff. We're going to the Artisan market. And we're about to see one of the most important things in Belize.
Okay, looking forward to that.
Keep it posted.
Period.
Yeah. We had a lot of time before the flight over the Great Blue Hole, so we took a quick stop at the Artisan market to grab some souvenirs. Say hi to the camera. Yeah. You can see yourself?
Oh, this is nice.
There you go. There you go. Say hi. Oh, at church? Oh, nice. That's good.
Certain prices now, like the small ones, one's for 15 and the big ones for 25. Yes. And it's in American dollars. Okay. But if you're interested in one of the big ones, I could do 20.
Okay. And so if I'm taking it back, I can just wrap it in my clothes.
What I do, I wrap it up for you. You wrap it? Yes, I wrap it up. And then what you could do is just wrap it up in your clothes, so you feel more safe.
Of course.
Okay. 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 Which other move do you have?
Got you?
Yeah, I got it. So we still had a lot of time after grabbing souvenirs at the Artisan market. So we made another stop at Rum Dug, a lively bar and restaurant in San Pedro, which serve pub food, tropical cocktail. It's a perfect place to soak up island, relaxed, welcoming vibe. What's that? Yeah. Iguana, yeah, that's good.
Hey, buddy. Just chilling.
I was even thinking we should go to Iguana Sanctuary now. So now yeah, they have one here.
Oh, really?
So now we're seeing iguana for free. Rum Dug.
Excited?
Yes?
Yes.
Let's do some minutes here. Probably some tequila shots.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this. Good morning. Morning. Oh wow. Time for the main event, flying over the Great Blue Hole. We booked a tour with Tropic Air for about $300 each, a 1 hour flight. We hopped on a small plane, but the weather was brutal. Dark clouds, heavy rain, and serious turbulence. I was thrilled but terrified, and the rain made it impossible to get decent videos. My wife was so airsick, she threw up as soon as we landed. Let me tell you a little bit about blue holes. A blue hole is a massive underwater sinkhole usually found along coasts or in the ocean. They are usually formed over thousands of years as limestone erodes and sea levels shifts, creating a deep circular pit with vivid deep blue color that stands out against the lighter shallow waters around them. The Great Blue Hole in Belize is the largest and most famous sinkhole in the world. Nestled in the lighthouse reef of the Belize Barrier Reef is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its crystal clear waters teeming with sharks, colorful corals, and tropical fish. Discovered in 1971, it has been a bucket list site ever since. Some say it won't be available forever to explore, so if you find yourself in Belize, try and visit this place. What an incredible day. From soaking up the local scene at the market and bar to the thrilling heart-pounding flights over the Great Blue Hole. This Belize trip was unforgettable. If you are ever in Belize, you have got to witness this wonder in person. Drop a like if you are loving this adventure, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments if you would brave a stormy flight for a view like this. Catch you in the next one.